This YouTube channel has gained 74,000 subscribers in just 51 videos by posting simple car evolution videos. And their short-form content is doing incredibly well. They have posted just 5 shorts, and 2 of them are already sitting at 8.2 million and 6.2 million views. Almost every second person has seen these videos at least once on their feed. Now, I am going to show you the totally free method to create these yourself right now. Make sure you have subscribed because we are starting immediately. First, open ChatGPT, click on More, then click on GPTs, search for car evolution, and click on the very first result. Open the GPT and it will ask you 2 options to choose from. We have to start with highway scene prompts first. It will then show you some locations to choose from. Pick anyone you like. I am going with countryside lane. Paste it and hit enter, and it will give you 5 different image prompts for that highway scene. Copy anyone you like and head over to Google Flow. Select the image option and your desired settings. Paste the prompt in and hit enter. Your highway scene images will be ready in just a few seconds. Now go back to ChatGPT and type car evolution prompts and hit enter. It will provide you some car options to choose from. Copy the one you like. I am going with Audi A4. Paste it and click generate. It will now provide you 6 image model prompts and 1 video prompt for the full evolution sequence. Copy model 1 prompt and go back to Google Flow. Now select the highway scene image you liked, click the 3 dots and choose add to prompt. Paste the model 1 prompt in and hit enter. Your first car model image will be ready in just a few seconds. Now select the one you like most. Click the 3 dots and choose add to prompt again. This uses that car image as a visual reference for the next model. So every car looks consistent with the same scene and atmosphere. Copy model 2 prompt and paste it in. Repeat the exact same process until every car model image is done. Now let's convert them all into videos. Select the video option and choose VEO 3.1 Lite as your video model. Drag the first image as the start frame and the second image as the end frame. Copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it in. Hit generate and your first video scene will be ready in just a few seconds. For the second video, drag the second image as the start frame and the third image as the end frame. Paste the same video prompt and hit enter. Repeat the same process until every image is converted into a video. When all your videos are done, download them and import everything into any video editor you like. Place all the clips in the correct sequence from beginning to end. Now to make the video look more engaging, add the car name and model series as a text overlay for each clip. Just like this. Then add the year names for every evolution scene to give your video that satisfying timeline feel viewers love. Hit export. And it is done. Let's watch the result. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, drop a like if this helped, and I will see you in the next one.